If you've ever found yourself writing imports like this, so you can see dot dot dash, all that stuff, then it might be time to clean up your import paths using something called TypeScript path aliases, which is this right here. So see how I just have @services and then dash the name of the service. Path aliases, which are what I have determined right here and what I'll go over, essentially allow you to clean up these kind of imports, which look a little messy. So basically, instead of having something like this, say dot dot dash services API, you could change it to just be @API dash user service or something along those lines. And so, as I briefly showed here, the way to do this is by using both the base URL and the path keys in a tsconfig.json file, so in your TypeScript configuration file. What the base URL does, so this right here, is it specifies the base directory TypeScript uses to resolve non-relative imports. So that's usually set to -source. Like in this example right here, all the code for TypeScript is in the source directory, so the base URL makes sense to be -source. And then say I have a services folder here, we can do @services, and any child of that is this location, which of course will essentially have this base URL prepended. And then say this was also a React tab, so React type 1, you could do something like @components, and then --, and then it would be in components dash, like this. And you could do that for all that stuff, so you could also do it for, say, @API. Give you something along these lines. And it's just a way to clean up all your imports. So basically, if you ever find yourself in files doing imports like this, all of these dot dashes, and it just looks a little messy, just know that you can clean it up by just doing some simple aliasing in here. Something I also want to show you though is that this can cause issues when transpiling it down to JavaScript. Specifically is, say this right here is AWS Lambda code, and when it is compiled down, which I can show you right in here in this index.js file, it needs to be in this format. So .-services -hello services, because if it is instead, say, @service -hello service, then the Lambda will not know where this is, because this was specific to TypeScript, which I personally find kind of strange that isn't something that's built directly into setting this here. But nevertheless, a simple way to fix that is to use a library called TSC alias. And all you do is when you build your TypeScript app with TSC, afterwards, you just prepend TSC alias, which will change it from what it is in here, where it's @services. It'll change it to the actual path. So it'll change it back down to this. So that's just something that if you run into issues when using this paths and then deploying your code elsewhere. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. Check my software and courses in the description. Take it easy.